I knew soon after we first met that something felt different. I was inexplicably drawn to you, your smile, your laughter, your long curly hair.
There's a song
Melissa, you're my best friend. I could talk about all the reasons why we go together so well, but the list would be too long. We have so much in common, I can no longer believe that opposites attract.
I can see in your eyes.
And almost 8 years later, I still fall in love with you every day. We have been through so much together. You have been by my side, encouraging me, and always there to dry my tears.
When the good times go bad, when your fears start to grow, you can never be glad. You're never alone, you're never alone. There's a place on earth.
I turn around. Oh my goodness. What I do believe in is that everything happens for a reason. Our relationship has been the most natural, organic experience in my life. I'm lucky to have found my soulmate, and you made the search an easy one. I'm not just saying that because of your exquisite taste in beer and your never-ending mission of keeping our refrigerator and apartment full of it.
Times go bad, when your fears start to grow, you can never.
So I promise to choose you every day. I promise to choose us every day. I promise to always lift you up, encourage you. I promise to hold you, laugh with you, be spontaneous with you. I promise to be your partner in everything we do. And most importantly, I promise to love you with everything I have, every day of my life. You are my heart, and I love you more than anything.
You are loved by many, but no one can love you as much as I do. You're my best friend, and I'll be by your side till the end of time.
By the power vested in me, by the state of California, I now pronounce you man and wife. BJ, you may kiss your bride.
A picture paints 1,000 words. Take this one from me. Slideshow.
They just fit each other, and they just balance each other out in the best ways.
Cheers to the best couple.
These guys really showed me what it meant to have a loving, long-lasting, meaningful relationship. I couldn't be happier than to stand here today with two of my best friends here. You know, watching you guys strengthen your union together, start a new journey.
Nothing I would ever trade for these picture perfect days.